Okay, here we come to the other elevator at the Iowa River Landing Parking Plaza West, I think. This is east. Shit. Are you dead? Oh, no, there we go. What about you? Going, taking a loop here. Also April 2012. And up we go. Come on, I believe. I'm gonna ring the chime real quick. Oh, all the way over here. I'm sorry, one more time. I'll get my cat view while we're up here.
I like how the floor makes sparkles on the wall.
Yeah, the floor is all shiny.
Yeah, but look at the, makes it look like a disco.
Another little transit system. Parking deck elevator. Nothing fancy. VR buttons. Even see it, barely can see the arrow.
It hasn't been inspected in over a year.
Oh no, is it out of date? God, these ones bump pretty bad when they get down. So I'm looking like up the shaft. What am I like? I'm seeing the lights up there and shit. Well. Sorry, can you run that by me again real quick? I don't even think this one sounds out here. Well, there it goes. And that's it. I'll make sure I get the location right in the title, whether or not I actually said it correctly.